Here is how I got a back pain patient totally pain-free without ever treating or touching them. Now, they were an online consultation, so I had a video call with them, and he had debilitating back pain that had been there for 3 or 4 years, and it was making him feel sick with pain. He'd be lay up on the sofa for days on end, and we got him pain-free within a few weeks by using one specific thing. The way we achieved this was by understanding what's causing his pain. Now, for him, he had this ache in the lower back that used to send pain radiating out to the sides, sometimes down the leg, and it occasionally was quite sharp on bending forwards. We know that he had a disc problem in his spine. So these discs in here, what people might describe as a slip disc, he had degeneration and bulging through here, and we managed to get him pain-free by using one specific tool, and it's this. It's an easy, simple little back stretcher, and the way we used it on this patient was to have them lying on their back over it so that it not only restored the lumbar lordosis back into the spine, but it actually decompressed the spine over this area. I'll show you how we use it. So he placed it on the floor, and then you lie on your back so that the belt line goes at this lowest section here. And then when you lie back over it, you can see that my lower back curves across it like this. Now, this not only restores that lumbar lordosis in my spine, but it actually tractions out my spine and decompresses the disc. If you can lie on this for a good 5, 10, even up to 20 minutes a day, that tractioning through the lower back will take pressure off the discs, which takes pressure off the nerves, which means all the muscles in the area can relax, and that gets everything feeling and moving a lot better. Now, somebody who has back pain for a long period of time, as in months and years, often finds that their lumbar lordosis, this curve here, reduces and flattens off, and that's not a good thing. We want to restore that curvature back into the spine. And this is a fantastic method to do that because it goes in here and you can see the spine stretches over, and as it does that, it spaces out these discs in the spine and takes pressure off the nerves, off the joints, and gets everything feeling and moving a lot better. Now, I'm about to show you one specific exercise that you can do in combination with this. If you want one of these, by the way, click just down here on this video if you're on TikTok, and you'll find that one just there. Now, the exercise we're going to give you is a way of bending and moving so that once this gets you pain-free, you don't continue to aggravate the lower back and cause more pain over and over again. When you bend forwards, I want you to push your hips backwards and keep your back straight like this, in there, not like that. So you don't round with a banana back. You push your hips back and you keep your back in this position here. And what that will do is it will maintain that curvature in the spine when you bend forwards, which is exactly what you do want. What you don't want to do is keep your pelvis still and banana back forwards like that, because it puts more pressure into those discs. And if we know that this has helped to decompress your disc, if you continue to bend the wrong way, you're only going to put more pressure back into that disc. It's going to cause more back pain and more problems. So as I say, if you want one of these, click just down here on this video, you'll find one there. If you've got any questions on this, pop it in the comments and I'll do what I can to help.